Hey there, it's Leona. Welcome to Zen Mindfulness Shodo. Today, we are going to practice Shodo meditation while focusing on the Kanji character for 1. So, let's begin our beautiful journey together. When you write a character, imagine a square about the size of the character that you are going to write like this. First, I'm going to write it. Then I'm going to explain the points and tips for writing the character beautifully in detail. Alright, now I'm gonna explain the points and tips for writing this kanji beautifully. The starting point of this stroke is a bit to the left of the middle of this horizontal line. It does not just trace the dotted horizontal line in the middle, like this, and just write a line parallel to this dotted horizontal line in the middle. This stroke curves up like this, just a tiny bit. Of course, not this extreme though. And it moved to the right until this vertical line in the middle is in the middle of the stroke. The left half of it goes slightly upward to the right, looking like this. After it passed the vertical line in the middle, rather than staying at this angle and keep going up, gradually make the angle less steep and move to the right, almost parallel to the dotted horizontal line in the middle. The end point of this stroke is a bit higher than the starting point of it. If you can make this stroke until the space to the left of the starting point and the space to the right of the end point are almost the same size, it will be horizontally centered in the square box, and it will look more balanced and beautiful. This basic writing of the character 1 can be applied to many other characters. You'll see many times later. So, if you master how to create this kanji character 1 here, you'll be able to apply the knowledge in many other characters later. So, let's try practicing with these tips and points in mind. The key points and tips for writing kanji beautifully, as explained in the video, are concisely summarized in this book. Additionally, easily understandable Zen mindsets and philosophical messages are shared in this book. For those who want to practice writing directly in this book, I've also prepared a workbook. The writing tips and techniques are the same as in the Zen Mindfulness Shodo book. Each character can be practiced over 3 pages. If you're interested, please see the description. I'm gonna practice 1 page of this workbook this time, but you're welcome to practice as much as you want. If you're practicing with a pen, I recommend that you place a few pieces of paper under the page that you're writing on, so that the ink doesn't bleed onto the page under it. Alright, let's get started. Focus all your attention on each stroke. And before you start writing, know the starting point and end point. After that, without hesitation, aim for the ending point and move the pen smoothly. If you move the pen too quickly, the line will become shaky. So concentrate on finding the right speed. If you notice your mind wandering while writing, immediately refocus on the stroke you are currently creating. By repeating this practice, you'll become able to quickly notice when your attention drifts away from your current actions. Gradually, this will help enhance your concentration and self-control. So let's practice together. It's normal for things not to go well at first. So instead of blaming yourself for not being able to do it as you wish, be sure to praise yourself for taking on the challenge of something difficult right now. Thank you for watching.